Hi guys, welcome to yet another video around how you'll be creating the questions within a quiz. So currently you see we have list of four assessment here and I want to create a question in a bulk. Like we have five question like this. The MCQ type question I have and I have answers for that. Now I want to create these five questions here. So currently I have here on the chat GPT, but in your case it may be on the word file or in the notepad or any other media file. Okay, so coming to how you'll be able to quickly create. So let me try adding within this last one. Okay, so I will have to click on that quiz. Then here you see I will have to click here on the question bank. Okay, so under question bank I can see here the import options. Now then the GIFT format I can select. Okay, so either one you can select. So first I will have the question like this. Now you can paste here or use any AI tool to convert this all these questions and answer to a gift format. Okay, so GIFT format. So I can ask here. So convert this all these five questions into GIFT format. Got it? So even you can go for XML format. So it's up to you how you want to move ahead with. Now I can copy this one and even you can ask for the downloadable gift format. Okay, so give me a downloadable gift file, GIFT file. So let's see if this particular AI is able to add this into downloadable file or not. Even if not, you can simply copy and paste. So in my case it is giving, so I can download this one. After clicking on this I can download. Yeah, so this is basically GIFT format. But in case you are using any other AI tool that is not able to convert or give you the downloadable GIFT format, you can simply open your notepad and you can paste there and you can save that as a .gift. Okay, so this is very similar to the dot doc for the document file, ms word file. Got it? So now I can browse that file, the downloaded one here, and I have already selected a GIF format. Import. Now you can see all the five questions imported here. I can click on continue and I see all the five imported. Okay, so this is my question bank. Now I added to question bank all the five questions. Now how you'll be able to add all your questions within this here within this quiz as a question. So for that you will have to click here again on the question, then add. Then you can click here add from question bank. Now you will find here all your five questions you just imported. Got it? So even you can check by clicking on the plus if all fine. Now I can click on the add selected questions to use and it will be added successfully here. And if you come back to the quiz view and go to preview, you will find like this: which of the programming is not a programming language? Which of these not a programming language? Let's see. So what does CPU stand for? Income. I know the answer. So which data structure uses FIFO? So first in, first out. What will be? Is it queue? Is it a stack? Let's see. What is the output of this? So let's try anything. You can also even go for the false one. Yeah. So you can also do the preview ones before releasing to the students so that we'll all have the idea. Okay, so this is how you can import all your questions as a question bank and add your that imported questions to your quiz questions. Okay, so you have all the steps clear. Now suppose you have the XML format, so convert this into XML format. So you can also go for that. So for converting, you can I would always suggest to use any AI tool that will be very easy or helpful for you to do that change. Okay, so if you are expert enough or you have some development experience, you can also use some ID like the BSc you can go for. Okay, now I have this XML format file. I can now download this one, and this also can be used. Okay, so let's try one more time. So this time import again. This time I will be trying with this XML format because I have that format. Got it? So import here. Now you see all five imported. Continue. Yeah, now you'll find you have here 10 questions. So you imported two times.